bagels.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's Keith!
What's up?
Said he got the wire.
Probably not. I gotta pick my guy with me. So he's gonna come back. That is someone else. Yeah! Look at these guys. Look at them. They're fucking goons. They're all pulling up.
Got the fast fucking.
It's my dad's favorite car.
Yeah.
Like, dream car.
I agree.
I could be wrong. Maybe 76?
I wouldn't mind having that as a dream car.
76 Shelby Mustang? GT?
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
yeah, dude. 100%.
Huh.
I'm making my way back over.
Making your way back.
Making my way back.
Bet. Homie.
Oh.
For a second. Usually I always pack that boat shit in the way. Ah.
Oh, Chrysler 300. Look at those rims. Yeah, I saw that exhaust too far.
You did?
He did.
This shit's already on.
Those tires look like 30 low pros. Like 30 ZRs. Or something.
Let me hear the Hellcat.
Hellcat.
I love
That's a hell no.
Oh, fucking children are ruthless. I swear to God.
They always are. They always are. Brutally honest.
Oh,
You guys
she's
have
quiet too.
Because I can message you on there if I get it, because I still gotta take him home. He can't come to the races. Motherfucker will puke in my car when I'm driving, bro. I'm not. I have two driving modes. Dogs and no dogs. And no dogs, it gets people literally thrown in my back seat. So. Sounds about right. Got your head.
Oh, snap.
Okay.
I found out who has the taser.
Tasers. There's two people with tasers today.
He's running already.
If he starts running off,
You ready?
Oh yeah, no, I'm sprinting.
You ready?
The second I see that, yeah, I'm gone. In fact, I'm already in the car.
Okay,